Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures which I've got currently applied. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Let's go back to the general settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to localize the navigation mode. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 3 different options. So probably you've got the 3-button navigation applied. And before we will set the gestures and before I will explain them to you, a quick disclaimer: you can customize the 3-button navigation. Just tap on this settings icon, and unfortunately, only option is to hold home for assistant. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. So let's tap on the gestures, and as you can see, of course, instead the 3 buttons navigation, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got the animation of how to use them. However, no worries, I will explain them later on. We can also customize this option, so simply tap on this settings icon, and again we've got the option connected with the assistant, up to you if you want to use it or not, and the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher, up to you. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the left or the right side to the center. It does not really matter, it works from both sides. So just swipe, and if you can see this arrow, release the finger. And as you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to go back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, kind of redo the gesture, however elongate it. So hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And as you can see, after releasing, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.